Today I'm going to teach you the 720 jump and go from this guy to this.
Alrighty, so let's start with the basics. First, start by warming up.
If you can't do the 360 jump or 540 jump, work on those first before coming back to this video.
So my first piece of advice is get a good setup, as that's gonna help so much in landing anything.
Alright, so let's not waste any more time. If you could take anything away from this video, is that you have to do variations to get your 720 jump. As to what variations to do, one of my favorites to do is the 360 pop 360, like multiple times, and honestly, that can build so much control. You might hit your face on the ground and never want to do anything again, but know what you're capable of and just have fun. This one is not going to impress anyone. This one is just a little drill to get used to using your body to twist. And you just have to jump straight up
And twist last minute about 180 degrees.
Now you could also try them from heights, but I found that it's actually way harder and it's a very risky move, so do it at your own risk. Now for the 720. Now this is the real fun. Now I'm just gonna show a bunch of clips of me trying to land the 720 jump. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where I was in the air, so we're probably doing that again. I mean, I did it, but that was it. Yes. There we go, day 2, and we already got it really nicely. Stick around for the next video, and I'll see you guys very soon.